Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so you can work safely. This prevents short circuits. Use the correct tri-point or Phillips driver. Force damages heads. Once the back is loosened, pry gently with a spudger at a corner and lift adhesive slowly, because sudden pulls tear cables. Make sure to photograph screw locations and flex cable routes as you go. These images save time when you reassemble, and you'll avoid flipping the wrong connector later. Once the battery is disconnected, you're safe to remove metal brackets that secure the volume flex cable. This prevents grounding. Use tweezers to unsnap the cable connector and inspect the ribbon for tears or corrosion, because visible damage means replacement. If contacts are dirty, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. If the tactile switch is worn, transfer the new button assembly into place. Make sure screw torque is gentle so you don't crush the new. You reattach the battery connector first and test the volume buttons before sealing the phone to confirm function. This saves reopening. Once confirmed, replace adhesive with thin 3M strips or manufacturer tape and press the back firmly to bond. If the button is still unresponsive, power down and reopen. Often a misaligned flex or loose connector is the cause, so reseat them carefully. One key troubleshooting tip: if the button registers intermittently, check for a small debris particle under the key or replace the entire flex assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.